Welcome back to the channel, Putter here, and in today's video I'll show you how to revive chrome paint for free. And we will go from this to this, and I'll show you now in this video how we will do it. So as you see, the bumper of the 1954 Plymouth NASCAR tribute car is very pitted, it's full of rust, and I'll show you a little trick how to get it revived for free. It won't be perfect, but it will be better than what it is now. The only thing you need for this is some aluminium foil. Prop it into a bowl like this, and then we'll go to the paint as you see here, and we'll just rub it on. Just keep rubbing till you don't see any rust anymore. It will also shine up the chrome, which is decent still. And you already see a big difference now. This is just the part I did, and this is the rest. So we will just keep doing that till we get the result. This is a good spot to see the big difference. You'll still get keep the pitting, but the rust won't show as much through it, and so you'll have a better looking bumper. I just did the whole bumper and I'm pretty happy with the result. Like I said before, you'll still see the rust pitting, but the color of rust is gone. Now it's all nice and silver again, and it blends in better with the chrome which is left. So there you go, a little trick which you can just do at home to make the rear or the front from your car look a little bit better, sorry. We also did this on the window frames from the Ford Taunus. If you haven't watched that video, please check it out. Also, if you're interested in this car, we have a couple videos on the channel. I'll link the playlist at the end of the video. But anyway, what do you think? Rather do this or rather spend 1,000 euros on rechroming your bumper? I think I know the answer to that for myself anyway. Yeah, there you go. 5 minutes of work and a little bit of aluminium foil gets you this result. Thank you for watching, everybody. I know this is a short video, but it is a bonus. Next week's video will probably work more on the DeSoto, because I have some motivation to work on that for a little bit. So if you're interested in that, I'll link the video from the last time we worked on the DeSoto as well at the end of the video. So if you're interested in that, please check it out. Please check out all the kinds of videos we have. We have a lot of different cars, so you're not getting bored with all the time the same car. So check out the channel, watch whatever you think interests you, and please subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know how I did and if you will do the same trick. Thank you for watching. Putter out. Have a nice day, everybody.